How to write a professional email. Writing a professional email is a crucial skill in today's workplace. Whether you're reaching out to a potential employer, communicating with a client, or following up on a project, crafting a clear, concise, and respectful email ensures your message is received effectively. Below are the essential steps to write a professional email. 1. Subject line. Your subject line should be short, clear, and directly related to the purpose of the email. A strong subject line helps the recipient immediately understand the intent of your message. Examples: meeting request. Follow up on case number 12345. Monthly report submission. 2. Greeting. Start your email with an appropriate salutation. Use a respectful and professional tone that fits the context of your email. Examples: formal, unknown recipient or senior authority. Dear Mr./Ms. last name, or to whom it may concern. Less formal, known recipient. Hi first name. 3. Introduction. Begin with a brief introduction. State who you are, if necessary, and the purpose of your email. Keep it concise and to the point. Example: my name is your name, and I am your position at company name. I am reaching out to discuss specific purpose. 4. Body of the email. Provide the main details of your message in the body of the email. Ensure your message is well structured and easy to follow. Use short sentences and paragraphs. Clearly state any actions or responses you expect from the recipient. If appropriate, use bullet points to list items or steps. Example: I would like to request the documents related to specific project or task by deadline. If you need further clarification, feel free to contact me, and I will be happy to provide additional details. 5. Closing and call to action. Conclude your email with a polite closing that summarizes your request or action item. Express appreciation for their time and attention. Example: thank you in advance for your assistance. Please let me know if you require any additional information. 6. Signature. End your email with your full name, title, and contact information. This provides the recipient with a clear way to follow up with you. Example: best regards. Your full name. Your job title. Your contact number. Your email address. General tips for writing a professional email. 1. Use a formal tone, avoid slang or overly casual language. 2. Proofread before sending, check for typos, grammar mistakes, and proper formatting. 3. Reference attachments. If including an attachment, mention it in the body of the email. 4. Address the right person. Double check that the email is sent to the intended recipient. Sample professional email. Subject: proposal submission deadline. Dear Dr. last name. I hope this message finds you well. My name is your name, and I am your position at your organization. I am writing to confirm the submission deadline for the specific proposal or project. Please let me know if there are any additional requirements for the submission. I appreciate your time and guidance in this matter. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to your response. Best regards. Your full name. Your job title. Your contact number. Your email address. By following this format and adhering to these principles, you can create professional emails that convey your message clearly and leave a positive impression.